Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Salesforce CRM report sharing permissions step by step clearly. Open your Salesforce CRM and log into your account. Navigate to the Reports tab located in your main navigation menu. Select the specific report you wish to check or modify sharing permissions for. Click on the report name to open it. Once the report is open, look for the Sharing button located in the report options. Click on the Sharing button to view the current sharing settings. You will now see a list of users and groups who currently have access to the report. To add new permissions, click on the Add button. A dialog box will appear where you can search for users or groups. Type the name of the user or group you wish to add in the search bar. Select the desired user or group from the search results. Once selected, define their access level, such as viewer, editor, or manager. After setting the appropriate permissions, click the Next button. Review the details of the permissions you are about to assign. Click the Share button to finalize sharing the report with the new user or group. To remove existing sharing permissions, return to the sharing settings. Locate the user or group you wish to remove from the sharing list. Click the Remove button next to their name. Confirm the removal in the dialog that appears. Once adjustments are made, you can check the sharing settings to ensure accuracy. Close the sharing settings by clicking the Done button. You have now successfully authenticated and managed the sharing permissions for your Salesforce CRM report. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.